Assistive touch. A tiny Newton machine learning model is trained to predict subtle finger movements to control a smartwatch. 5 simple gestures: activate device, pinch, double pinch, clench, and double clench. Let me show you. Don't mind the size of this setup. I'm using a Silicon Labs development board with a variety of different sensors, but for this model we're going to be using accelerometer and gyroscope. Here we have a smartwatch interface, and pinch is programmed to navigate the menu forward. Alright, let's do this again. Okay, we've moved through 2 menu options. Now if you want to enter the menu, clench, and here we go. Double clench to exit. And double pinch to navigate through the menu backward. The total footprint of this solution, together with the model and all the necessary code, consumes only 3.2 kilobytes of flash and 1.4 kilobyte RAM, and the inference time is under 1.5 milliseconds.